Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to our channel. So today we came to a park which is in the city itself, like in Leeds, and the name of the park is Woodhouse Moor. So come with us. I'm gonna show you how the park looks like. And so this is the entrance of the park, as you can see. So basically the exact location of the park is just beside the Leeds University. So after you cross the campus, the Leeds University campus, it's a big campus actually. So you just need to cross the campus and you'll find the park. So it is in the city. It's you can see the greenery here. It's full of greens, and the first thing that you can see when you enter the park is the statue of Queen Victoria. So this is the statue. You see, I hope you are able to see this. So this is the statue of Queen Victoria. This is the first thing that you see while entering the park. And there's a small write-up here. So this is Queen Victoria's statue. So I'll take you around the park. So this is just beside the busy road. As you can see, buses and cars on the road. So this is not in the outskirts. Generally parks are in the a little bit outskirt of the city, but this is not. This is in the city itself. And you see, it's summertime now, so you'll be able to see a lot of greens here. And these flowers are found almost in every park here. You see, these are small yellow flowers which are very commonly found here. You see cherry blossom trees as well. There can be a little bit of lighting issue, so bear with me. So you see, there are so many trees. You can easily stroll in the park. Some people are jogging. It's a good place for morning walks as well. You can morning and evening walks. So it's evening time now, and you see, I think it's around 7 p.m. most probably, and you see there's proper light. Okay, it's 6:30 p.m. now, and there is proper light because daylight savings is on here. So generally the sunset time is around 8:30 p.m. So you get a lot of time during the summers to visit such places. Generally in winters, within 6 to 6:30 p.m. it's all dark. But summers you get some time to visit these places. You see people sitting over here having a gala time, enjoying. You can bring some dry food here and have your maybe lunch. You can pack some sandwiches, juices, and you can just come over here, have your lunch. It's a nice place. this is a huge area, I guess, right? This park is certainly huge, and you can also, I think some people are playing over here. You can play, I think you can play football or cricket because there's lot of space over here. Yeah, so you can go running. And if you have badminton set up, then you can also play badminton here. There are few benches also. I'll show you. See, there is one bench over here. There is another bench in the front where people are sitting. So I'll try to cover the entire park so that you get an idea about the how big the park is. You can also bring your children, your pets here for a stroll, so the children can play over here. There's a lot of space. Also, you can take your pets because there's a lot of people here who bring their dogs over here for a brisk walk.
Here we have the tennis court as well. People can.
Okay, so I'll show you the tennis court as well. This reminds me of Rabindra Sarovar
Kind of.
Park. I mean, if you just
See, people are playing there in the
yeah.
court itself, the badminton itself. Yeah.
So if you're from Kolkata, then you'll find a similarity with Rabindra Sarovar Park, excluding the lake, of course. So now we are nearing to the tennis court. See, a lot of people are playing as well. So I'll show you there. I'll show you the court. And today the weather is quite pleasant. As I said, it's summer now, so it's not chilling weather, so it's quite comfortable. Generally during the winters, it's a bit chilling because a lot of trees here, and weather is too cold. But
This is a professional tennis court.
yeah,
where
so
people can
this
practice over
is.
here.
See, we are nearing towards the tennis court. As you can see, people are practicing over here. Yeah, so a lot of people are playing over here. So this is the surrounding. You can see the vast area of the park. Let's see what's there on the other side of the court.
You can enjoy the nature over here.
Yeah, yeah. So it's
Full of nature.
full of nature actually. You just come here, especially it would be best if you come here during the, I would say, daytime, like around maybe in the afternoon after you have your lunch, you can come over here. So you can experience proper summer, I would say summertime amidst the nature. So I think that is the end of the park, most probably.
Yeah, that's another end. That's to the back side of the park. That's the end.
Yeah, so that is the back side of the park. I mean, the tennis, after you cross the tennis court, the park ends over there. So we're not going to go over there, I guess. So
We'll go to another side. And
we'll go to another side and we'll show you guys. So as you can see, this is the tennis court that I showed you guys, and we came on the, I would say, front side, or I think it's the right side. Yeah, this is the right side of the tennis court. So this is the tennis court, and we came towards the right hand side, and yeah, so you see more trees. I think this is full of trees. See, a lot of trees out here, and as you can see, a lot of people have come here to chill on on a Saturday evening. Today is Saturday, so people are enjoying out. It's full of nature, as I mentioned before. So yeah, there's plenty of
garden. Small garden.
okay.
Right now, flowers are not yet.
So there's a small garden over here, but the gate is closed, unfortunately. And the area is, I think, pretty unkept, I would say, because this, as you can see, a lot of grasses have outgrown. So not well maintained, I would say, but maybe later on, if they maintain this place, then they can open it for tourists. Right now this is closed, so but still you have so many empty space out here to just enjoy. A lot of space. People are cycling over here, as you can see. So there are a lot of benches over there. So you can see people are sitting over there. But I would say you'll find very few benches. Mainly people are sitting on the grass, which is quite obvious because there's a lot of space over here to sit, and the grasses are clean, so don't worry, your clothes are not going to get dirty. So you can easily sit on the grass and enjoy the feel of the summer over here, because summer is a very enjoyable weather here in UK. So best time to go for such outings. We found a children's park here, separately designed for the children. So you see a lot of children have come here to play the slides, swings, slips and so on. So, and their parents are sitting while the children are enjoying their time. So, quite a nice place. There is also a skating board, I guess.
Yes.
There's a skating park over there, just at the back side of the children's park. You see people are skating over here. I hope you are able to see this. You see? So people are skating. There are skating boards there. So if you know skating, then you can definitely give a try. So yeah, that was all about the park. We highly recommend you guys to come. If you want to inhale some fresh air, then definitely come over here. It's a nice place. And yeah, so we are going to chill here for some time and then again return back home. So yeah, we would like to end our video over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If yes, then do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. So stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, bye.
Bye bye.